Before you decide to buy Fytoo, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know. Whether you're considering it for its all-in-one features or its appeal compared to other platforms, it's important to have all the facts before committing. Stick around to the end because we'll dive into everything you need to understand so you can make an informed decision. Plus, if you decide to try it out, I'll show you how to get the best offer and a completely free trial through the first link below. Now, let's get right into it. First off, Fytoo isn't your average tool. It's packed with features designed to simplify complex tasks, but that doesn't mean it's perfect for everyone. While some competitors offer more specialized services, Fytoo stands out with its all-in-one approach. It combines tools that typically require multiple subscriptions, saving you both time and money in the long run. Next thing you should know, pricing. Fytoo is competitive in terms of cost when compared to similar platforms, but that doesn't mean it's the cheapest option on the market. What it offers, however, is substantial value for the price. While platforms like competitor X might offer a slightly lower price point, the value Fytoo delivers with its robust suite of features is hard to beat. Plus, if you follow the link in the description, you can try Fytoo completely free and see for yourself. The third thing to consider is the user interface. In comparison to tools like competitor Y, Fytoo's interface is surprisingly intuitive. It's designed for both beginners and advanced users, making it easy to get started without feeling overwhelmed. If you've used platforms with steep learning curves, you'll appreciate how quickly you can pick things up with Fytoo. Whether you're setting up automation or tracking metrics, everything feels accessible. The fourth thing you should know is customization. While it does offer a great range of templates and presets, Fytoo might not be as customizable as competitors like competitor Z. That said, the flexibility it offers for most users is more than enough. The key difference here is how much you actually need customization. If you're a power user who requires granular control over every setting, you might find the customization options a bit limiting. But for the vast majority, Fytoo provides the right balance of flexibility and ease of use. The fifth point, integrations. Fytoo connects with a variety of third-party platforms, but its selection isn't as expansive as some of the other options out there. If you rely heavily on very niche tools or have an established tech stack with specific needs, be sure to check Fytoo's list of integrations. However, the integrations they do offer cover most of the popular tools people use, so it's likely you won't run into any issues unless you have some very specific requirements. The sixth thing is support. One of the most critical aspects of any tool is how responsive and helpful their support team is. With Fytoo, users consistently report a positive experience when reaching out for help. Unlike some competitors that leave you hanging for days, Fytoo's support team is fast and efficient, offering solutions that help you get back on track quickly. Their knowledge base and live chat are robust, which is something that sets them apart in an industry where customer service can sometimes be lacking. Finally, let's talk about scalability. Fytoo is built to grow with your needs. Whether you're just starting out or expanding to a larger team, the platform adapts well to different levels of usage. Some competitors might cater more to either startups or enterprise clients exclusively, but Fytoo does a great job of serving both ends of the spectrum. As your business grows, you won't outgrow the platform. It's designed to scale with you. So, now that you've got the inside scoop, if you're thinking about trying Fytoo, don't miss the best offer available through the first link in the description. Not only can you test out the product for free, but you'll also get exclusive benefits when you sign up through that link. If you've been on the fence about making a purchase, now's the time to take action. In conclusion, Fytoo offers a solid, all-in-one platform that competes well with others in the market, especially when you consider the value for the price. If you want to experience the features firsthand and see if it's right for you, just click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some added perks.